Hello guys, I'm Vishesh from DigitalGenic.in, and in this video I'll be telling you about what is digital marketing. If you segregate these two words, digital and marketing, it will be super easy for you to understand. So what is digital? Digital is using of any electronic devices having internet connection. And what is marketing? Marketing is promoting or selling any product, any services in the market. So when you club this both words, you will get digital marketing. So every digital marketer has his own way of understanding digital marketing. So what I understand from digital marketing is marketing of any product or services through digital devices like phone, computer, laptop, any of the devices which have internet connection. In the coming up video, I'll be telling you about the process of digital marketing and the fundamental of digital marketing. So stay tuned in this video series.